You got your glasses on now, honey? Nice job. All righty. Now, you just gave me the finger. That ain't cool. Yeah. You used the wrong finger, though. Yeah. See, the first one, that's good. That one ain't good. Yeah. Now, if that's your phone, you might want to take it. We have a lot of thieves in this band. Yes. So, yeah, you hang on to that chain as tight as you can. Anyway, we wrote a song about people who you like to look at but don't like to listen to, called I Still Want to See You, I Just Don't Want to Hear You.
I still want to see you, I just don't want to hear you. I still want to see you, I just don't want to hear you. Each other, we're so hard and strong.